going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick Bartel, the editor-in-chief for Techno Warriors TV, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're taking a look at unboxing the Be Quiet! Pure Power 11 FM 1000 watt modular power supply. Before I'd like to start, I want to give a wonderful, amazing shout out to the folks over at Be Quiet for sending this out to the studio. I really appreciate you guys for sending this out to the studio for us to review. So, I would like to give Emil Bravik, B-A-C-H-E-V, a amazing Techno Warriors TV shout out, and thank you so much for sending this product to the studio to unbox for you guys. We also have a power case and a water cooling system, so we have a lot to do. So right off the bat, also want to announce we are doing a Fortnite Battle Pass giveaway when we reach 5,000 subscribers. On 6,000 subscribers, we give away a pair of Skull Candy Dime 2 True Wireless earbuds. So, without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. As you can see right off the bat, shows you the Essential, the 80 Plus Gold, okay, the Be Quiet logo, and then we have the picture of this power supply right here, shows the power supply right here, Exceptional Quiet, Secure features. Let's go and get this out. Alright, so on the left and right, nothing to write home about, but on the top side we have the name of the power supply. We have the back of the power supply. As you can see, all of its features. This is actually developed in Germany. And if the camera can focus in, you can actually get a great view of that QR code right there. You can scan in there. Okay, let's get this power supply open, shall we? Thank goodness for my long fingernails. Okay. First of all, we have our little instruction manual. Take this out. We have a nice little power cable. Being a modular power supply, we do get some nice screws here. If I can get that in the camera, there we go. And all of the cables you get with it. These are nice, sharp looking cables. We also get some zip ties. Little baggy thing. And then we get the power supply itself.